So yes, y'all, sometimes we have to sacrifice some video quality just to get the video out. This truck's about to go out of here. We've got a beautiful Everest edition behind us, power stroke, a gate black. Let's go. Windy, I don't have my proper mic. I'm just wanting to bring you this truck because it's stunning to me. Love this Everest edition build right here at Aikens. We've got a 2021 Aikens Ford F350 Lariat single rear wheel chrome package truck. Get some nice strobes up front. Just a phenomenal, you know, everything's going black throughout, but chrome still works when done correctly. So did a great job on this one, truly, y'all. Just a beautiful truck. We've got a 6-inch Pro Comp suspension lift, got the nice radius arms in the rear, did a Fox shock upgrade with remote reservoirs. Just a beautiful setup. We love the ride quality and overall integrity of the Pro Comp. We like to upgrade stabilizers with the Fox. Replace the factory there. We want the best integrity we can do. With the Lariat on the inside, you got the tan leather, so it's just, again, this is a classic package truck, y'all. You got the black with the chrome, you got the tan leather, which works so well with black, in my opinion. It breaks it up. I mean, you could go black on black, but the black and tan is a great combo too. I truly love this truck and hope you guys do as well. We are 37 13.5 22 Toyota Open Country MT, a true mud terrain tire, very fitting for this build. We got Fuel Maverick, another big boy stance, 22 by 12, all chrome, and she's all there. We've done this truck before with the black and milled, which looks great as well, but if it all was going to work with an all chrome wheel, it's doing it on this truck right here. Black with the chrome is a timeless package that's going to forever just be a good looking truck in our opinion. So don't let the chrome slip out of here, y'all, because it still works. We got wheel liners in the rear. Gives a good look at that stance. So being negative 44 on the offset, our mild to wild scale, we're pretty wild. We're sticking out 4.5, 5 inches, but very fitting for a truck this tall. And did some strobes in the rear form as well. But going 6 inches on this body style truck definitely just needs some help, because going this tall, you've got to do an aggressive stance to compensate for the overall setup of how big the truck is. Going so tall, you know, you could fit 38s under here as well, but this is a good overall proportional build for us. One more shot. This side stance. It's a gorgeous truck. Now we did a block swap in the rear to get the height. We got Fox remote reservoirs in the back as well. FX4, beauty. So keeping things rolling here at YWIZ at Aikens in 2021. Today's February 1st, so not slowing down at all. Got the black with the chrome, a timeless package. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, if the audio was not good, my bad, but I had to get you this video before it got gone. Thanks so much.